Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove a space before a paragraph using Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your paragraph. Now select this line and paragraph spacing option. Here you will find this remove space before paragraph. Also you can remove space after. I will firstly remove before paragraphs. This space already removed. Also I will remove space after paragraphs and see this space already removed. Also I select this paragraph and select here. So often remove space after paragraphs and this paragraph. Sure. Remove space before paragraphs. This paragraph select here. Remove space. In this way you can remove all of this paragraph space or a specific paragraph space. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.